Hello YouTube, back with another Strike of Neos first edition pack opening. 3 packs. See what we can get here. Yeah, and let's, I guess, jump right into it. First pack. Okay, here we go. You see that okay? Is that lighting? Okay, start off. I'll go pretty slow, I guess, because only 3 packs. Flashbang, activate only after damage calculation. Now the end phase. Pretty useless. Lycanthrope, classic. Pretty sure it's in Duel Links. Advanced Ritual Art. Umbral Soul, and DD Crow. Silent Abyss. Raging Earth. Return of the Six Samurai. Alien Psychic. Second pack. These packs are scaled. I did try to. It's really hard to. These are blister packs though, so I don't really think you can scale them. Yeah, it's really weird because, like I said, these are all heavy packs, so it's weird. Yeah. Anyways, Shin's Foot Soldier, Marionette Might, Synthesis Spell, Electric Virus, and Frostosaurus. Samurai Uru, a Scatterburst, and Puppet Plant, and Neospatial and Glow Moss. Classic. Yeah, like I said, just with the blister packs, I don't even think it's really even possible to scale them. It's weird, they kind of just fluctuate. Let's see. Last pack. Synthesis Spell, Electric Virus, Destruction Clone, Flashbang, and another Frostosaurus. Shin's Castle of Mist, Radiant Spirit. Yes, no hollows. It's very interesting. So it seems pretty hard to actually scale these. Yeah, it's weird because these were all, I think, some of the heaviest packs that I had gotten, but still no hollow. So interesting. Anyways, there's that pack open. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. Hello YouTube. Another quick pack opening. 3 first edition Strike of Neos packs. Let's get right into it. No wasting time. I don't have that much storage on my phone. Firestorm Prominence, Legendary Evan Steed, Shin's Foot Soldier, Synthesis Spell, and oh, dope! Is it a secret rare? Hey YouTube, got it. We're back again. Don't have any storage on my phone, so I kind of got to do this quick. But we pulled a first ed Radiant Gerald, pretty cool. Never even heard of this card. Nice beater, Sanctuary. This guy. Sanctuary is at the skies on the field. It sent to the graveyard, gain 1,000 life points. Pretty useless, but first ed secret. Pretty cool. Yeah, and like all these packs are different weights. Like that was the lightest pack out of all of them, so you can't really scale these. So that's pretty nice to know because yeah, they're just loose packs. So there's really no knowing kind of which pack is which. All right, and here we go. See that? Ritual Ceiling, 6 Samurai Iachi, Firestorm Prominence, Legendary Evan Steed, and oh, sick! Skyscraper Hero City, super rare, first edition. Super, damn. 2 hollows, see, like. Summon 1 hero monster from your graveyard, destroy the battle. All these cards controller can use this effect. Sick. Dope, super rare. Anti-fusion device, Julian the Awakened, Sage of Stillness, and Silent Abyss. Awesome. 2. Actually, I'm not going to sleeve it yet because I don't have enough time on my phone. So back, open to the next one. This is a weird one. Not bad, 2 for 2 hollows. In my previous video, I opened them up and they were like, they're my heaviest packs and 0 hollows. These are the lightest packs that I've had, and there's been 3 hollows too so far. So let's see if we can keep the streak going. Or sorry, 2 hollows so far. Yachi, Firestorm Prominence, Legendary Evan Steed, and oh, are you serious? Another Grand Mole? That's dope. First Ed Grand Mole. Pulled. I actually have now 4 of these. That's funny. That's really funny. Anti-fusion device. Julian the Awakened. Sage of Stillness, and Xian's Mist. So that was a pretty damn good haul. I mean, an ultimate rare, a super rare, and a secret rare. Not bad. Not really the ones that we wanted, but can't complain. Peace. Hope you all enjoyed.